Do you know how much SIP will you have to do to become financially independent? Use my tool and find it out for yourself. Here's how you use the tool. In the first section, you enter your monthly expenses, let's say 50,000, and it'll show you that the corpus that you really require to become financially independent is 3 crore. Now this 3 crore is assumed to be done at 2%, which means I'm assuming that we'll be able to generate 2% return higher than inflation, by which not only will you receive 50,000 plus inflation year after year, but this 3 crore of corpus will also last till infinity. Here you enter whatever current savings that you've already done towards this goal. Let's say that number is 50 lakhs. So if you've already saved 50 lakhs, and I'm assuming that we'll be able to generate 12% return, and I want to be financially independent in 10 years, then I will need to do an additional SIP of 58,000 rupees. Do it for yourself to understand what's that number for you. You will find the link to this tool in my bio. Thank you so much.